Hello guys, is your iPhone battery dying before the day even ends? Most people think their battery is just getting old, but the real issue is hidden background settings draining without you knowing. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 quick settings you need to change right now to double your battery life. Let's get right into it. First up, we need to stop apps from running when you're not using them. Go to settings, and then go to privacy and security. Once you're in privacy and security, tap application services. Go through all of your apps and change anything that says always to while using the app. So let's do that. While using app, do all of them to while using. I will want the weather to be always, so yeah, you could do that. Okay, once you've done that, next setting number 2 is just a second. So next, let's protect our battery health long term. We go to settings and tap battery. And then charging, and then click charging. And now click optimized battery charging. Make sure optimized battery charging is turned on. If you're on a newer iPhone model, you can set a 80 or 90 charge limit. So you set it to 90 or 80. And then setting number 4 is for your email. And go to settings, tap mail, and then accounts, and then open fetch new data, and then turn off push at the top, and set fetch to every 30 minutes. Every 30 minutes are manually. And then having your phone constantly ping mail servers 24/7 wastes a huge amount of energy. Finally, open settings and tap display and brightness. So we're going to display and brightness. Once you've done that, set your auto lock. Go to your auto lock and set it to 1 or 2 minutes. I'm going to 2 minutes. So your screen is staying awake on a desk, and if you have a phone with an always on display, turn off show wallpaper so only the clock is showing. And if this video helped you save your battery, hit that like button and subscribe to Tech with Shujah for more quick tech tips. Drop a comment below letting me know what your battery health percentage is right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.